Hey guys, Cadillac Jack here at Highland GM in Aurora, Ontario. Today I want to show you how to set up your wireless CarPlay and Android Auto in the new Cadillac XT4. Now this is the same going to be across all Cadillac lines on how you'd set this up, but essentially what you do here is you want to make sure you have your phone with you. In this case we have an iPhone here. What we can do is we can go to settings and then we can click on Bluetooth. Now what we can do here is on the Cadillac you're going to click phone and then connect phone. Right there. Now you can hit add phone. So on here now, it's going to come up here as my Cadillac in just a second. As you can see here, we're going to press this. It's then going to give us a code. We want to make sure that the code we're getting here is the same as on the screen. We can hit pair and then pair. Hit allow for all your contacts to sync. And then in a second, it's going to ask us about wireless CarPlay. Just like here right now, we're going to then hit continue. On the phone now, it's going to say use CarPlay. Again, we're going to hit continue with that. And then in a second here, our wireless CarPlay is going to show up here. Now, what I really like about this system here is it allows for you not using any cables whatsoever. So it's all connected through Bluetooth. As you can see here, we have our full Apple CarPlay system that we can use. All your apps that are on your phone can be projected up here. Now, what I really like about the system too is it allows us to use our wireless charging very easily. So we just pop our phone now right down in there. The phone will start charging wirelessly, and then this is wireless. So there's no need for cables, nothing like that, keeping the interior of your Cadillac very neat and tidy.